everyone, this is Chuck with MEC. This is a short update on my preferred streaming devices and streaming services. Let's get into it. When you go out and buy a television in today's world, they have a smart device built into them. It might be a Google, it might be a Roku, but every TV is now a smart TV. Sometimes if you have trouble with this smart TV, like it takes forever for an app to load, or in the middle of your favorite show it pauses and buffers, maybe the built-in smart device just isn't very good. If you run into this problem, my favorite solution is a Roku. You can purchase a Roku, plug it into your TV, and use those apps instead of the built-in ones. And a lot of people who have done that have had a much better experience. There's also a Fire Stick. I still prefer the Roku. I think the menu is a little bit more simple. One of the most common questions I get is what streaming service should you pick? And the answer is very simple. It depends. You have a couple channels that you like to watch. Maybe History Channel, maybe Discovery Channel. Whatever they are, that's unique to you. So what I suggest is you write down exactly the channels that you like, and then just pick whichever streaming service has those channels for the least amount of money. Problem solved. The other type of streaming service is what I like to call on-demand content. The most popular one is Netflix, but there's many others like HBO Max, Disney Plus, and Discovery Plus, which is one of my favorites. These are options that have tons of movies and television shows that you sit down on your couch and hit play, and you watch whatever you want whenever you want it. These are my favorite services because the selection is humongous, and usually they're a lot less expensive than the live TV alternatives. So again, find the content you want, find the app that has that content, and then stream away. I hope that helps you with some of these streaming services and streaming devices. Always remember to like and subscribe to our page, and together, our future is bright.